Want to save $60 on your Hidalgo County marriage license and skip the mandatory 72-hour wait? If you are planning to get married in Edinburg, McAllen, or anywhere in Hidalgo County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Hidalgo County Clerk's office. But you do not need to pay full price, and you absolutely do not need to wait 72 hours to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a licensed professional counselor in Texas. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Hidalgo County process, what documents you need, and a legal loophole to save money and time. First, let's look at the highly specific local cost. The standard fee for a marriage license at the Hidalgo County Clerk's office is $81. However, if you complete an approved 8-hour premarital course, like the official Twogether in Texas program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the county is legally required to reduce your fee by exactly $60. That brings your total cost at the courthouse down to an incredibly low $21. Beyond saving money, there is a major time-saving benefit. Under Texas state law, once the Hidalgo County Clerk hands you your license, you are forced to wait 72 hours before you can legally get married. But if you present our Together in Texas certificate when you apply, the clerk will instantly waive that 72-hour wait. You could legally get married the exact same day you walk out of the building. To get this $60 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $19.97. There are no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, both you and your partner must appear together in person at the Hidalgo County Clerk's office. You can visit the main courthouse located at 100 North Closner Boulevard in Edinburg. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza counseling certificate along with valid government-issued photo IDs, like a driver's license or passport, and know your social security numbers. They will verify your certificate, apply your $60 discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your $60 Hidalgo County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Together in Texas course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions about the Edinburg marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.